Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. I saw the cat. I saw the cat. I have a dog. I have a dog. He is happy. He is happy. They are students. They are students. It is raining. It is raining. I know that you are busy. I know that you are busy. She was late. She was late. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. I am not tired. I am not tired. I want to go home. I want to go home. This is a picture of my friend. This is a picture of my friend. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. I went to the park with my family. I went to the park with my family. I bought a gift for you. I bought a gift for you. The car was parked by the store. The car was parked by the store. He worked as a teacher. He worked as a teacher. I like tea and coffee. I like tea and coffee. I am at home. I am at home.